All right, part 2 of the Warrior Mouse. What's going to happen? There's several things we could do, but actually there's one thing we have to do. Is that one thing get in these feathers and detail them out? Fingers crossed? No, we're not going to be able to do that just yet. But I want to. You can't. Why? For a very basic reason. We don't have all the feathers painted yet. We still have yet to paint these long wing feathers coming down, and we can't finish those until we know where the cape of this mouse is going exactly, because the feathers are going to be behind the cape, and that's why. All right, so we have to start off this session painting the cape of the Warrior Mouse, and then probably coming back in with Payne's Gray and that round brush, like we talked about in the last video. Finish these feathers and then go in and detail them. I mean, we can if we want to. Some people might want to get the balance of the piece going and come down here and paint all these mice. See, we got to get these mice in there. But we could detail the feathers. All right, decisions are to be made, but only after we paint this cape. And now that I'm thinking about it, I'm like, what color is the cape? Got to be careful with the color of the cape because we don't know what the color of the background is. And as this background is probably taking place in like those rocky cliff regions of Arizona, magical piece of the world, is a red cape going to conflict with those? I'm leaning toward red as well, but the cool thing about red is even if it does conflict, we can just paint blue over the top of it and then make these cool like purples, and it'll be real mystical and stuff maybe. Yeah, I like where your head's at. Okay, well, let's get this thing on the road. Ready? Here!